I've been following in your footsteps. I've been trying just to be like a melody you sing. I've been dreaming of the day we met. I've been trying to show my love only grows. I stepped outside of its path just to watch the way that it flows, like a river follows the landscape, and so begins to know. Every soul change as it undertakes the meandering, the expanded range. It's like that my love comes of age as it resonates, as it excavates, as it's rearranged in the shadow game. In your footsteps, I've been trying just to be like a melody you sing. It takes hold of me with every subtle change.